Hey everyone, Terrence O'Brien, live at CES, and I've got a new friend here. This is my Special Aflac Duck. It is a creation of Sproutel and Aflac, and it's designed to help comfort children with cancer. It is a robot that responds to pets, to voices, to light, to dark. It cuddles you, it purrs, and there's a million and one ways to interact with it. It's got lights and sensors and moving parts, but honestly what really matters about this is how the children work with it. And all of the technology inside wouldn't make a lick of difference if it didn't actually comfort children. And at this point, they've tested it out with over 100 children with cancer, and it's helping them through these difficult times. They can treat the duck just like they're being treated. There's a lot of medical play involved. They can give the duck chemotherapy just as they are receiving it, which helps them to kind of explore what they're going through in their personal life. They can even tap little tags on it to express how they feel so that the duck mirrors their emotions. When they're sad, they can have the duck feel sad, or they can tell it to be angry. It can even be silly. When they need cheering up, the duck will cuddle them. It'll even purr if you pet it a lot, and it'll sing and dance if you start playing music. There's even a connected app that'll talk to the duck and let children create entire worlds for them. That'll play sounds and ambient noises to help comfort them. If they have a happy place, a special place, they can recreate that in the app, and the duck will play the sounds to remind them of it. They have a cabin in the woods or something, it'll play crickets. And it even has AR functionality to increase the amount of medical play that they can have with the duck. They can feed it, give it a sponge bath. Aflac is hoping to get one of these ducks in the hands of every child with cancer in the country. It's an incredibly ambitious goal, and one that hopefully they can achieve sometime soon.